Guys, we've won Store of the Year. We've been smashing it out there. What do we need to do to step it up even more?
Something that makes some noise.
Noise.
Yeah, noise is good.
I reckon we could do something like that. I reckon I got the guy in mind. Hey Boxer, it's Jamie. How you going?
Yeah, good mate. Yourself?
Yeah, been flat out, mate. You know that idea we had about that delivery vehicle? It's on, mate. We need to get it happening now.
Well, it just so happens I might have just picked up the perfect donor vehicle.